and logic. So already yesterday in previous class, I'll explain about the process. So this is the table is very important to solve the problem related to thermodynamics. Means they can ask the Q value or they can ask only dW. That means work done. These two only they will ask the question. Depends on the given graph and process, which process that you have to follow. In isobaric, the work done equal to NR delta T, and here the Q is equal to NCP delta T. Also I can write already Q. This is dQ is equal to NCP delta T. You can see Q is equal to du plus dW, NCV delta T plus NR delta T. So CV plus R, CV plus R. That means CP, NCP delta T. So whatever the process, if it is isothermal, internal energy is equal to 0. The formula is nRT into Vf by Vi ln and dQ. Heat energy and work done both are same in isothermal. Whereas adiabatic heat energy is 0 and du is equal to NCV delta T is equal to mass of P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by gamma mass. Du is equal to minus means these two are equal and minus sign will come. So in cyclic process du is equal to 0. That means work done net is equal to sum of all work done in cyclic process in the given graph, and Q net also sum of the Q of all processes. So this is table. Remember this. Isobaric is given, isochoric is given, thermal or adiabatic. Depends on asking. Work done means this formula. Or here this can be nRT into nR. This is also equal to nR into T2 minus T1 by 1 minus gamma or nR into T1. P1 V1 equal to nR T1 minus nR T2 by 1 minus gamma or T1 T2 is coming means gamma minus 1. So this is formula. Depends on given temperatures are given mean this is value, pressure and volumes are given mean this value, this formula. And here P1 P2 to calculate the P1 P2, P1 V1 is N1 NR T1 should not take. To find out the P1 P2 from given V1 V2 and any one of the P value, we have to use P1 V power gamma equal to constant. Or we know TV power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Or P power 1 minus gamma into T power gamma is equal to constant. So these formulas you have to use to find out the relation between P and T, T and V, P and V. Those values of P2 or V2 will substitute in this formula. So that related problems I will explain now. See. So first problem, dQ is given 735 joules means heat energy given. First. And gamma ratio of specific heat 7 by 5 means the atomic gas is given. And expanded constant pressure is given. So it is a isobaric process. So asking to find out du means internal energy is how much? Because already NCP delta T they have given. In isobaric means this dQ is equal to NCP delta T. They have given. Asking to find out du NCP delta T. So this is the question related to gamma is Cp by Cv. Cp value is given here NCP delta T asking to find out NCV delta T. It is not purely related to only first law of thermodynamics, related to Cp by Cv values also. So here NCP delta T is equal to 735 joules. So now NCV delta T is asking to find out. So from this N delta T find out, the Cp is equal to here 7R by 2 we know, that equal to 735 into 2 by 7R. Cp bring this. Now NCV delta T I want, du is equal to NCV delta T. So substitute N delta T value, this is N delta T value into Cv. Cv is equal to 5R by 2 for diatomic. Here it is given diatomic.